A newly installed door enhances both the security and aesthetic appeal of your home in Dallas, but proper maintenance is key to ensuring its durability and long-term performance. Given the hot summers, humidity, and occasional storms in Dallas, your door is exposed to various elements that can cause wear and tear over time. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can extend the lifespan of your door and keep it looking and functioning like new for years to come. Regular cleaning to preserve appearance. Dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on your door over time, dulling its appearance and potentially causing damage. To keep your door looking pristine. Wood doors. Use a mild soap solution and a soft cloth to wipe down the surface. Avoid excessive moisture to prevent warping. Steel or fiberglass doors. Clean with a damp cloth and non-abrasive cleaner to remove dirt and prevent rust or discoloration. Glass panels. Use a streak-free glass cleaner to maintain clarity and brightness. Cleaning your door every few months will help maintain its original look and prevent damage caused by dust buildup and environmental exposure. Inspect and maintain door seals and weather stripping. Dallas experiences temperature fluctuations throughout the year, making proper insulation crucial for energy efficiency. Check your door's weather stripping and seals regularly to ensure a tight seal to prevent air leaks that can increase energy bills. Replace worn or cracked weather stripping to maintain energy efficiency. Check for gaps or drafts, especially before summer and winter seasons. Keeping your door's weather seals in top shape helps improve insulation and reduce energy costs. Lubricate hinges and locks for smooth operation. Over time, door hinges and locks can become stiff due to dirt buildup or lack of lubrication. To ensure smooth operation, apply a silicone-based lubricant to the hinges to prevent squeaking. Use graphite powder or a non-greasy lubricant in locks to prevent sticking. Tighten any loose screws or hardware to maintain stability. Performing these simple tasks every 6 months will prolong the life of your door's hardware and prevent unnecessary wear. Check for signs of damage or wear. Your door is exposed to elements such as heat, humidity, and occasional storms, which can cause gradual wear. Perform regular inspections to check for cracks or warping in wooden doors caused by extreme temperature changes. Rust or dents in metal doors due to moisture exposure. Peeling paint or fading finishes from prolonged sun exposure. If you notice any damage, address it promptly to prevent further deterioration and maintain your door's integrity. Repaint or refinish to protect against weathering. For homeowners with wooden or metal doors, repainting or refinishing is necessary every few years to maintain protection against the elements. To keep your door in top condition, sand and repaint wooden doors to prevent moisture damage and fading. Apply a rust-resistant primer and paint to steel doors for added protection. Use a UV-resistant finish to prevent sun damage in high-exposure areas. A fresh coat of paint or stain not only enhances curb appeal but also acts as a protective barrier against weather damage. Adjust door alignment and tighten hardware. Over time, doors may shift slightly due to changes in temperature and frequent use. If your door is difficult to open or close, check for misalignment and adjust the hinges if necessary. Ensure the door closes properly without dragging or sticking. Tighten any loose screws on hinges, knobs, and handles. Proper alignment ensures smooth operation and prevents damage to the frame. Keep door tracks and rollers clean. For sliding doors, if you have sliding patio doors, keeping the tracks and rollers clean is essential for easy operation. To maintain smooth sliding motion, vacuum dirt and debris from the tracks regularly. Lubricate rollers with a silicone spray for effortless movement. Inspect rollers for wear and replace them if needed. This prevents track obstructions and extends the lifespan of your sliding doors. Maintain security features. Your door's security features, such as deadbolts, smart locks, and reinforced strike plates, need regular checks to ensure they function properly. Make sure to test smart locks and keyless entry systems to verify proper operation. Check deadbolts and latches to ensure they align correctly with the strike plate. Replace worn-out locks or upgrade to high-security hardware if necessary. By maintaining your door's security components, you enhance home safety and peace of mind. Final thoughts. Protect your investment with proper door maintenance. A well-maintained door is not only aesthetic and functional but also an investment in home security and energy efficiency. By following these simple maintenance tips, homeowners in Dallas can keep their newly installed doors in top condition for years to come. If you're considering a new door installation or need help with door maintenance, reach out to a trusted local door professional in Dallas to ensure your home remains secure, efficient, and stylish.